Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language of the app in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and then it opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From here we have to go into the saved menu, and in the saved menu in the top right corner we have to tap on the cog, and then we can go into the settings. Now in the settings we have to tap on account management, and here we have to tap on personal information, and then at the bottom of the list we find language. If we tap on this, then we can change the default language from English to anything that we would like. Let's say, I don't know, we change it to English UK. After we are done, it's going to be updated and the app saves it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.